North Care were interacting with Norfolk and Suffolk Care Support already, and they mentioned the iCare Ambassador and Associate Service. As soon as they explained to me what that meant, I was fully on board. I think it's an absolutely fantastic service, and I really think that it's going to make a difference to the care industry.
The companies, the businesses themselves have the opportunity to firstly promote their company, but also what good care looks like, quality care. So it's an opportunity for them to show younger people, people that are unemployed, older people, that there's always opportunities to work in social care. So it's a wonderful recruitment tool for businesses, but it's also an opportunity for businesses to develop their staff.
By me being involved in my role, it means that we can look to identify a better quality of staff. So promoting the message that actually it's very rewarding to work in care, it's a full career, means that, as I say, we can look at a better quality of staff.
We found that those that we've been talking to face are absolutely thrilled to be asked to be an iCare ambassador. They are so passionate about what they want to do. They are so keen to get a really positive message about what social care is all about. They love their jobs and they want to be able to share that with people. I think people that are at events benefit from those that are actually delivering the care right now, because those people are in a unique position. They understand what care is all about. They are delivering the care, and so they can talk about it from a personal experience and personal perspective. And it's often that experience that motivates and interests people, and we do find that it encourages people to listen. They become much more enthusiastic and inspired when they have people that do the work talking to them. It's a really worthwhile service. It can benefit your business, but more importantly, it benefits the social care sector.
I think the iCare Ambassador initiative is absolutely fantastic. I think that the message that we're trying to get across and the project itself is so important today. I think there's been a negative image around care for so long, and that needs to change.
This is really the opportunity for people that are really working in the care sector to share that passion and to increase the number of people coming to work in social care.